Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating most trending makeup look, and that's cool makeup look. That too in just 5 minutes, and that too with such a beautiful view. Guessing where am I? I'm in Pangot. I have also shared my first travel vlog. I will be tagging with this video, or you can just check the description box. So let's not waste time and get straight to the makeup tutorial. So here I'm using a Pixie Glow Tonic toner all over my face, and I'm using this beauty blender because I forgot my cotton pads to carry along with me. So yeah, I'm applying it with this beauty blender, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face. So I personally love this makeup tutorial because it gives a very natural look. So I just like this makeup tutorial. So during winters, as your face gets very dry, it is very important to apply a moisturizer. So here I'm using a Nivea moisturizing cream, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm going to massage it very well and let it soak into my skin. It is also very important to moisturize your lips. So here I'm using Vadika lip balm, and I'm going to be applying it all over my lips so that once I apply my lipstick, it's not dry. To minimize my pore, I'm using a primer. This primer is a glowy primer, and I bought this from Algeria. I really like this primer because it really moisturizes my skin and also minimizes my pores. As you can see, I have a lot of dark circles and I have a lot of pigmentation on my skin basically due to thyroid. So to hide that, I'm using a color corrector, and this is an orange corrector from LA Girl. Now using a wet beauty blender, I'm going to blend my corrector all into my skin, and this blender I bought from White Sheet. So just remember that whenever you're using any product, you have to use it in a pat motion, otherwise your makeup will not stay for a very long time, and the product will also glide and it will get removed from your skin. So it's better if you use a pat motion. So for this makeup look, I'm not going to be using any foundation because I want to make it look more natural. So I'm using a concealer, and this concealer is from Forever 52, and this is one of my favorite concealers. If you have been watching my videos, my makeup tutorials, then you must be knowing that I just love this concealer. So now again I'm using a same beauty blender because I just got only one beauty blender. I have another one, but I just forgot to get it along with me while shooting this video. So here I'm just patting everything into my skin, and as you can see, my skin is not looking very cakey because I have used very less product, and this is what I want for this makeup look. So now using LA Girl HD Compact Powder, I'm taking it on my fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I just want to apply it very little. I don't want to make my face look matte. I want it to look glowy. So I'm just going to apply very less product. So these days I'm not buying any new products because I already have a lot of makeup products, and I really want to finish them off. Though it will take two to 3 more years to finish those products, but as you can see, I'm using this lipstick which is from Canava. I'm using it as my blusher. I really don't have a cream blusher, so that is why I use all my lipsticks as my blusher as well. So, and using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything into my skin. So for my contouring, I'm using LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, and I don't remember the shade number, so I'm going to mention it in the description box. As you can see that I have double chin and I have a round face, so I'm just giving a little bit of dimension on my face. To set my clean contour, now I'll be using this powder contour from Tartiest Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to set all my contour with using this brush. Now using the same palette, I'm using this shade and I'm going to apply it all over my cheekbone area. To set my makeup, I'm using this Makeup Revolution setting spray, and this is a very nice makeup spray because it makes my skin look very glowy. And after that, I'm going to set everything using a beauty blender. Using the same palette, I'm using a highlighter, and as I was traveling, I did not carry a lot of products along with me. Using same palette, I'll be doing my eye makeup as well. So I'm picking up this blusher from the palette on my fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease area. Now using a lighter pink shade, it is actually a little bit shimmery, so using a flat brush, I'm applying it on all over my eyelids. For my kajal, I'm using a dark black shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my waterline. And to blend this kajal, I'll be using a clean brush, and I'm blending it all over my waterline. Using this method, the kajal will not spread and it will stay for longer time. Now using again the same glow palette from Tarte, I am picking up the same shade that I've applied on my crease area, and I'm going to apply it on my lower eyelids. So nowadays I do not use a lot of product on my eyebrows, so I'm using a very light product which is from Nykaa, and this is actually a gel mascara which gives a very natural finish. So for my mascara, I'm using Forever 52 mascara, and I'll be applying 2 to 3 coats of this mascara, as I'll be not be using any false lashes for this makeup tutorial. So for this makeup tutorial, I'm using a very light shade of lipstick. This lipstick is from Makeup Forever, and this is a very natural pink lip shade. On the top of this lipstick, I'm using a liquid lipstick from the Balm. I do not remember the shade, but I'm going to mention everything in the description box. While I was applying this liquid lipstick from the Balm, I found that it has made my lips very dry. So I had to use another lipstick which is from Calabar, the same shade that I applied on my cheeks. And to give little gloss on my lips, I'm applying a lip gloss which is from Zepto. And yeah, that's the final look that I've created. I hope you love this makeup tutorial. It is a very natural makeup tutorial. I hope everybody can create this look. So do create this look and do share your creation with me on my Instagram page. I am going to mention everything on the description box, so do not forget to check the description box. Till then, bye bye. Keep liking and sharing, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.